Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, festive season is here and we all need that extra oomph factor in our skincare as well as makeup. So today I'm here to tell you about something really exciting and about this brand which I think I have been using the products from this brand from times immemorial. So that's none other than Plum Goodness. Plum is a brand which everybody knows. I think I have been using their products when I was in college. So Plum Goodness products, they have skincare products, they have a little bit of makeup as well, and they have skincare, they have hair care, they have many products in their brand, and plus the brand is vegan and cruelty free. So what more we can ask for? It is 100% vegan and cruelty free and does not have any chemicals or whatsoever. So it is also a very clean skincare and hair care brand. Now guys, I'm super excited to tell you that Plum Goodness has come up with this Diwali sale from 22nd October to 25th October where you can get a lot of products on heavy discounts. Let me tell you what all products they have on discount. You can head over to Plum Goodness's website where you can get up to 40% discount on all the products. And one more super duper exciting offer is that when you spend rupees 999, so you are going to get an olive and macadamia hair spa kit for free. And if you spend over rupees 1499, you are going to get the olive and macadamia hair spa kit for free as well as gift cards worth rupees 500. Now you can get all the gift sets at 35% off and all the serums at 15% off. Okay, now talking about my favorite product, it has to be the Plum E-Luminous Cleansing Balm. I have been loving that product. I think I have been using that product and it is super duper long lasting as well because mine lasted for around 7 to 8 months, which I think is a really huge amount of time. I really love the way it cleanses my makeup. It does not make my skin feel so dry. So I extremely love the E-Luminance Cleansing Balm. And the second one is their green tea range. I have been loving the green tea range. I love their face wash. I love the night gel creme. I will provide you some screenshots because I have used those products, so I don't have the container, but those are my favorite products. And also one of my favorite products is their chamomile face pack because it is super duper soothing and it is very good for winter season where you do not want your skin to dry up, and it is going to give you a very good glow and your skin will feel super duper fresh and glowy. Next thing which I really love is their kajal, which I extremely love. It is their Plum Nature Studio Kajal, and you see the way it is super duper dark, it is super duper black, and it just gives your eyes a really nice effect. So that is why I love this particular kajal. Okay guys, now let me tell you what all I got in this particular box because I received this box and there are a few goodies which I'm going to tell you one by one, and also I'm going to tell you why I love all the products which I received in this box. Now the very first thing which I received here is the green tea pore cleansing face wash. Now this face wash is acne fighting face wash. It has green tea and glycolic acid which is very gentle and non-drying too. Now I have been using this product. I have used this product in past. So now if you have acne prone skin and if you have oily skin, this is going to provide your skin, this is going to leave your skin squeaky clean, and it is going to work on your acne as well. So it is anti-acne and definitely it has glycolic acid, so it also exfoliates your skin and leaving your skin squeaky clean and fresh for the festive season. Next one is this Hello Aloe Gel. Now this is a multi-purpose gel because you can use this gel. It is 100% pure aloe vera gel, by the way. You can use this gel on your face as a face mask or sleeping mask or hair mask. You can definitely use this in so many ways. You can use this with your face mask as well. So this is again a multi-purpose gel, and because winters are coming, so you can definitely use this as your moisturizer. It also works as a humectant. So definitely if you are going to apply moisturizer after this, your skin is going to feel amazing, mark my words. Next one is also my favorite. This is Plum Goodness green tea oil free moisturizer. Now it is really lightweight, and it is fragrance free, it is oil free, plus it provides that glow to your skin, as well as it combats acne. So if you have acne problem, you are going to love this one, because the texture of this cream is very soothing to suit you if you have super oily skin, because trust me, I have oily skin and this moisturizer works fine on me, so you are going to love it, I'm sure. Next up is this kajal by Plum. Again, this is one of my favorites because I have been using this I think when it launched 4 to 5 years back, I feel so, because I have been using this and loving this kajal. Now you see the texture of the kajal is super good. Now this is so black, it is smudge proof, waterproof, and perfect for sensitive eyes. If you have watery eyes, if you have faced problem that you are having watery eyes, so definitely you can give this a try, because it is not going to make your eyes sensitive, and it is going to give your eyes a very cooling sensation, which I really love. And plus this is vegan and cruelty free, so you know what you are putting inside your eye. So this is 100% chemical free from any chemical, so this is 100% cruelty free and chemical free, that I can vouch for. Now all the products are paraben free as well, so this has to be my favorite also. Alright guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I would ask you guys to head over to Plum Goodness's website, which I'm going to leave a link in my description box, and grab all the products at your earliest, because the offers are supremely exciting and you're going to save a lot of money. So please go and grab the products before everything gets out of stock. So with this, I'm going to end my video. So enjoy your festival season, take care of your skin, take care of your hair. That's about it. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.